最近几年，在华夏越来越多的地方出现了很多射灯，或是被误认为射灯的 UFO。本条视频将最大程度的区别射灯和 UFO。如画面中所示，游乐场中有一道明显的光柱射向天空，但它并未在高空形成光团。再看华夏某地上空，也有很明显的光柱射向天空，在厚厚的云层中形成了一个个光团，拔地而起的光柱则显得尤为突出。再比如这里，华夏鸟巢很明显的射灯射向天空，当时也有市民们拍到。
太神奇了，这个。
注意看这里，也有从地面发出的光柱。总结一下得出的结果，如果有光柱从地面射出，那么它100%是射灯。下面将展示超自然现象或 UFO， 看看它们和人造射灯的区别在哪里。男主在臭名昭著的包皮行者农场拍到了神秘现象。
I'm going to show you something. And this is the stuff that you can't explain when you live close to Skinwalker Ranch. Found these lights, they're going two different ways. They almost look like rainbows. Yeah, like I said, this is some of the stuff you can't explain above Skinwalker. Can't be a rainbow. Maybe it's a moonbow. It's got brighter again. It's a portal. I don't know. This is stuff you can't explain. I've never seen an alien, but I'm telling you, whatever that is, it's real. Look at my square. It's even captured the, like, the object. Yeah, it's not from the ground. I don't know.
如男主所说，这些光射向地面，但不为人知的是，包皮行者农场这个地方曾有人目击到不可描述的生物。在我华夏，也有人拍到了这神秘的绿色锥形光团。同样的不明光圈也出现在了沈阳，可以看到这个光圈像呼吸灯一样闪烁，并伴有轻微的蠕动。而且无论是从视频还是照片中，都无法找到地面射出的光柱。像这样的不明光团也出现在了江西萍乡，很明显，它的下方既没有任何光柱，其闪烁规律也无迹可寻。
3点，好像有一个那个飞船那里，然后四个点，看不清楚。
而这一段在奥地利拍摄的就更加夸张了。虽说云端之上出现了大范围光团，空中也出现了明显的光柱，但是光团和光柱在同时消失后，云层上单独出现了一个毫无规律的光团在飞行。这还能用射灯来解释吗？如果还是硬要将这种现象描述为射灯，那么接下来发生在美国宾夕法尼亚州的 UFO 则让当地拉起了防空警报，直到结尾那些光才像一个飞行器一样缓慢飞离。所以当你看到没有从地面射出的光柱时，它大概率就已经是 UFO 了。
Look at this, red, blue. Look at this, this is directly above my house. What the hell? Like, look, yo. Look at this. There's my house right there. Look. Wow, look at these lights. These are crazy. These lights keep appearing above the clouds. They appear and disappear. There's sometimes different colors. There's sometimes straight lines, there's sometimes circular. I don't know. Fire alarms going off now? I keep seeing this laser light too. Look at that. Somebody might be shining. Oh, there we go. Look at that. What is that? It doesn't make sense because it's above the clouds. Look at that. Wow. No lights coming up from the ground. Anywhere. This is literally above the clouds. All those lights. There's a lot of cloud coverage tonight. So what's weird about these lights is they're above the clouds. They're not being shined up from below. They're coming from above. Above the cloud coverage. Look at that. There are no lights coming up from the ground anywhere. Those lights are above the clouds, coming downward onto the clouds. And they disappeared, and they come back. They disappeared, and they come back. And there's... What is that? Look, Savannah. Look at that. Look. Look above the house over there. Look at that light.